Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I am here with a 2011 Jeep Wrangler. Now today, we're gonna be putting up the original Auto Pro Pad up against the brand new Auto Pro Pad G2 Turbo. You know, there's a noticeable size difference between the two. The weight, there's definitely a weight difference between the two. And the interfaces seem quite a bit different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop inside and I'm gonna program a Y164 to with the Auto Pro Pad Classic is what I'm kind of calling it, and then the Auto Pro Pad G2 Turbo. Now I've already went ahead and I've duplicated the keys, and I'm gonna be using Y164s to get the job done today. Let's hop in and get started. All right, so we have the Auto Pro Pad, like the Classic is what I'll be calling it, hooked up to the OBD2 port, and we're ready to get programming. Now, I did go to the Auto Pro Pad's website and did their make, model, year search to figure out what by type we need to use, which is gonna be, it says type 3 CAN. So let's go ahead and we'll get in here to Chrysler, hit agree. We'll go in here by system, but you know what, let's go by vehicle. Let's see if it, you know what, oh yeah, here we go, Jeep. Let's try that. Let's go to Wrangler. Okay, this is 2011, so we'll hit that one there. Now while it's loading, I just want to say I don't have any keys in the ignition at all right now. So that's why it failed to connect. So you know what, let me go ahead and take the working key we have and just turn it to the on position. Let's go in here again. Okay, so that was my fault. As we were doing, I was like, you know what, I forgot to do that. So we did now. So let's go ahead and read the pin code. Okay, so it's 0306. Maybe we'll need that later. So let's go into program blank key. Okay, so switch ignition to the off position, insert key, and turn ignition switch to the on. Man, stuttering on myself today here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a Y164 here, put it into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and I'm gonna hit OK. So 0306, if I can remember what I said there. Connor, is that what you remember?
Yes.
Okay.
Very excellent memory.
Security code incorrect. So
0306.
0306. So let's go back in here. 0306. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, procedure complete. Number of keys 3. We're done. So let's go ahead here and let me unplug it off the OBD2 port. And let's give it a try here. There we go, starts up. Everything's looking good. So yeah, so the Auto Pro Pad Classic machine here got the job done. I really love how they've continued to update the make, model, year instead of having to go by the type. Although, I mean, I will admit, the more you know technical wise, the better off you're gonna be. But having that make, model, year there is super nice. So I think the performance was pretty decent. Let's go ahead and plug in the G2 Turbo. All right, so we have the Auto Pro Pad G2 Turbo connected to the OBD2 port, and we're gonna connect to it via Bluetooth. So we're gonna go ahead here and go to Immobilizer, hit agree to their disclaimer, and then let's find Jeep. So, you know, the interesting thing about seeing the two of them kind of side by side like this is just, where's Jeep at here? Let's go up here to Chrysler probably. Makes sense, it's in the Chrysler family. But, so this is the deal. So right now it's connecting via Bluetooth. That's what it did right there. As you can see, I don't have any cords hooked to it at all. Okay, so we'll go to buy vehicle. Go to Jeep. Go to Wrangler. This is 2011, so we'll hit the 2007, 2017. Communicating. All right, now let's go ahead and just read the pin code again, although we know it's 0306. There it is. So we're good there. Go to program, key blank. Okay, switch ignition to the off position, insert the key. Okay, so same prompts as before, so we're going to take that out. Insert, this is another key that I haven't programmed here, so we put that in ignition. Here's the key I did program with the Classic here just a minute ago. Go ahead and switch to the on position. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Asking for that security code, which is 0306. Okay. Procedure complete. All right, so as you can see, you know, the differences between them, you know, the UI, the interface is definitely different. You know, the G2 Turbo is a lot more modern, a little more simple. But however, the procedures on these two are pretty much exactly the same button-wise, right? We both went to Chrysler, then to Jeep, and, you know, so on to get it programmed. All right, so there you have it. The AutoProPad Classic up against the AutoProPad G2 Turbo. As you can see, there are differences. That the new G2 Turbo, you can definitely tell the hardware inside it is much quicker than the classic AutoProPad, and you can see a pretty big difference in that user interface. But I'd really love to know, what do you think watching the two machines program the exact same key on the exact same car, essentially at the same time? I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.